Hello, trading is closed on June 17th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. I thought today would be a down day, which it wasn't. I said the one thing that would kill it would be if we gapped and promptly took out Friday's high. Well, this looks like a gap, but it's not. You have to use futures prices and not regular trading hours prices. There was no gap, but even if there were, this isn't as prompt as I would like. So I'm going to call this one a miss. This was the pattern with the early low. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. MEJT said that drop and this rally and this drop all were false and would retrace. Said the same thing about these things, and that's already happened. This actually was a very good setup for a drop today. And when you get a good setup and you don't get the drop you expect, it increases the chances you're going to fail in a major way. It opens the door for a strong rally, but it certainly doesn't require it at this point. Tomorrow's pattern is usually a rally day. Usually it starts with a high, ends with the high of the day, and is a strong rally. Of course, when it fails, it drops in a straight line. We've knocked on the door of this area for so long. The more times you knock on the door, the greater the chance you're eventually going to break through. This is the count I was using, but the question marks mean it's not the only count. What if ABC was here? If that's your ABC, you've got a plausible count that this long consolidation is a wave 4, and we're going to get a wave 5 up. It's not the only way to count it, but at least you have to keep it in consideration. This is a pattern called 3 days tight. Usually when that happens, you get a strong move. Just doesn't tell you which direction. Tomorrow's pattern usually is a rally day. And I wouldn't bet against it at this point. It isn't really signaled. But we had every opportunity to drop today and we didn't. Now, Wednesday is the FOMC meeting, and who knows what's going to happen at that meeting. I'm usually flat going into it. But if we get a strong rally tomorrow, I would think it would last till the end of the day. And the same thing if we get a big drop. But when you give all the signals we had for a drop and you don't get one, I'm less enthusiastic about the downside here. That's today's call.